How's it going, everyone? Right here again. It's going to be kind of a quick vlog today because it's been kind of stormy today. It finally cleared up, so figured I'd get a quick one in since not sure what my plans are this week, but hope everyone's doing pretty good. Just going to be doing a small loop today. As you can see, we got a new perspective. Not sure how this is going to look in post, but we will find out. So I know my last video I was talking about my plans for my next bike, and I think those plans might be changing. Nothing confirmed yet, but a friend of the family actually owns a Honda Helix 250. I'm not sure the year model, but it looks really nice. We will see. I'm not confirming anything, but I would love to try it out and see how that goes. But once again, still got to get my MSF courses done and do all that. But really excited to try it out and see what it's like. It's still pretty humid out after the storm. It was storming pretty good for a while. The roads seem to be clearing up alright. So what made me think to consider another scooter over the motorcycle? Well, I've actually ridden it once before, but only as a passenger, and I know for sure that thing is highway ready. It's the same engine size for the most part, but with two of us on that thing, it was still hitting 70 miles an hour, and so that's one thing that I know is something I'm looking for in a bike. Is if I need to get on the highway, then I would like to be able to. The only downside from not getting a Hawk 250 over this big old scoot is I won't be able to take it off-road, or it just won't be good for off-road. But that's it's okay. You know, like someone told me in Discord once, any bike, if you try hard enough, can be a dual sport. Not exactly as smart, but it's okay. One of these days we'll get a dual sport. We'll see. And it's not really confirmed that I'm getting this scooter or not. It's definitely something I'm thinking about for sure. Lots of options. The price point that for the used market is pretty good too. Actually, probably better than the Hawk 250. So if you really think about it, a used Honda is better than a new China bike. If you really think about it. I've only ever really had experience with China bikes, so I'm not sure. But yeah, we'll see. This next paycheck coming up is going to be my first real paycheck where I'm going to be setting aside a good amount of money towards this project. So we will see how that goes. But yeah, just figured I'd we'll see how that goes. Still, once again, I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen yet. But yeah, just figured I'd make a quick vlog, and also this is more or less a test to see how my second camera is. Which, for those wondering, I thought I ordered a second Akaso Brave 4, but apparently this is not the same camera, even though it pretty much is the same camera in every way. This is the Akaso Ek7000 Pro. Same specifications all around. That's why I swore I thought I bought the same one, but it's apparently a different camera. Only difference is it's got a little bit of a difference in the plastics, so I guess I know which one's which when I edit. But yeah, I hope you guys like this new format. I will be ending the video here in a minute just because it's going to be a short ride this time. Wanted to get a ride in for the week because I don't know if the weather's going to allow me to ride tomorrow or not. The big trip to Gulf Spartan's place on the scoot is more possible now than I thought. I did some research on the route, and I think we will see how that goes. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Be sure to subscribe for future stuff. Coming to the stop. Alright, take it easy.